Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to replace a Honda Ridgeline headlight assembly. First, gather your tools. You will need a 10mm socket, a ratchet, and a trim removal tool. Make sure you have the correct new headlight assembly. Park your Ridgeline on a level surface and set the parking brake for safety. This preparation ensures a smooth and efficient replacement process. Next, we need to partially remove the front bumper cover to access the headlight. Begin by removing the plastic clips and screws along the top edge and inside the wheel wells. Use your trim removal tool for the clips. Once these are out, carefully pull the bumper cover forward just enough to reveal the headlight's mounting points. You do not need to fully remove the bumper. Now, let's remove the old headlight. You will find three 10mm bolts holding the assembly in place. Unscrew these bolts completely. Once the bolts are out, gently pull the entire headlight assembly forward. Be careful not to scratch the paint. Finally, disconnect the 2 or 3 electrical connectors from the back of the unit by pressing their release tabs. To install your new headlight, first connect all the electrical harnesses to the back of the unit. Ensure each connection clicks firmly into place. Then, carefully slide the new headlight assembly into its mounting slot. Reinstall the 3 10mm bolts to secure it. Finally, reattach the bumper cover, replacing all clips and screws. Turn on your Ridgeline and test both high and low beams.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.